Hey there. I've basically been obsessed with dissecting YouTube's cloud mining content recently, and last night I sat through maybe 30 videos ranging from complete beginner walkthroughs to advanced insider tactics about generating crypto without owning physical mining equipment. And what's genuinely disturbing is this trend I can't stop noticing. I'm seeing probably like 91% of all videos pushing obvious fake platforms. I'm consuming all this content thinking, man, these YouTubers either scamming viewers or they're dangerously irresponsible with what they promote. I honestly became really skeptical about whether trustworthy mining apps even exist because the entire industry seems corrupted with fraud. But yeah, I actually discovered ArcMine around 12 weeks back, and honestly, it's still the only platform I genuinely vouch for. Like, I've tested it numerous times, checked its legitimacy from every possible angle, and it's consistently delivered without any problems. So now I'm gonna run through this live so you observe the complete workflow. Okay, clicking start mining. So I'm selecting Solana here, hitting continue now. Nice, so here I've got to input my receiving address, which means opening my wallet app, grabbing that address, switching back to the platform, and pasting it into this field. All right, now I'm configuring hash rate power and mining speed. Essentially, these controls determine how much computational power gets dedicated to my mining and the processing velocity. But here's the catch. This directly influences my fee structure. So if I push these parameters higher, I'll mine cryptocurrency quicker, but the service charges increase proportionally. Cool, next I'm entering the target amount. This shows how much crypto I'm aiming to mine, the USD equivalent, and the estimated duration. Right, so now I'm launching the mining session. Perfect, it's active. All the statistics are right here. Timing, power being used, efficiency percentages, everything's transparent. So let's let this cook for a sec. And yeah, excellent. I've successfully mined Solana, so now I can transfer it to my wallet. But important thing here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee settled before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all broken down right here. So here's the power consumption, here are the server clusters that ran the operation, plus the network transaction fees. And yeah, crucial detail, the baseline infrastructure fee for utilizing their resources is always $30 minimum. So definitely factor that in. Complete transparency. So I'm copying payment address, back to the app, tapping I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. So while the transaction's confirming and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit my wallet, let me tell you about my actual experience with scam platforms before I found ArcMine, because this is why I'm so adamant about warning people. Here's my advice based on learning the hard way. Don't trust promotions on YouTube or social media. Most are paid scams. Instead, start with the minimum deposit on any platform to test withdrawal functionality yourself, because that's the only real test that matters. If you can't withdraw smoothly and consistently, then nothing else matters. And watch for the classic scam red flags I encountered, like surprise fees appearing during withdrawal, demands for additional deposits to unlock funds, support suddenly going silent, verification requirements that keep expanding. And if you see any of those warning signs, get out immediately and accept whatever loss rather than depositing more trying to recover funds, because that's how scams trap people in escalating losses. Whereas legitimate platforms like ArcMine have consistent, transparent operations where withdrawals work reliably every time without games. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description. Start tiny, test withdrawals yourself, watch for red flags, and share your real experience in the comments after testing it. Peace out.